Right, I have got another parcel from TikTok. And it's just here. So let's see what we've got.
Little Petey! Uncle Tomato, little tomato. No.
Okay, so we have the Pop and Play Music Centre for 18 months plus. So this is what it looks like. How much weight, please? It says watch baby learn shapes, colours, music and more. So it's like a little piano, and then you use the hammer to pop the balls in the holes. So hold on a minute.
I want it.
You're not a baby.
I want to open it.
I'll be back once I've opened it. So this is what it looks like.
I want to open it.
Hold on. So you've got your little hammer and you just pop the balls through, and if it's laying on a flat surface it will make the sounds. So yeah, that's absolutely wonderful.
I want to open it.
And it is from East Sun.
It's done.
And it's a great little toy for 18 months and above. Absolutely brilliant. And the best part about it is it doesn't need batteries. So yeah, absolutely great. Really recommend this. If you want to grab one, I'll pop them in the link below.